A female, 42 years old, suffered from hypertension, 高血压, for 3 years. Her blood pressure often fluctuated between 190 to 140 by 110 to 100 millimeters of mercury. She took many Chinese and Western medicines without effect and consulted a physician again in the summer of 1962. The physician reviewed the patient's previous prescriptions, which mostly contained herbs like haliota shell, magnetite, raw dragon bone and oyster shell, chrysanthemum flower, Uncaria remulus cum uncis, raw peony root, loranthus, and acuranthes root. These were mostly Han Liang Zhong Jiang, cold, heavy, and descending medicines. The physician said that since long-term treatment had been ineffective, the pathogenesis should be thoroughly sought out. The patient was obese. She also reported frequent distending headache. When dizziness was severe, it was like sitting in a boat, spinning around, making her unstable and prone to falling. She felt nauseous and had vomited large amounts of clear saliva, 清香, several times. She had a poor appetite. The shong wan bu, the area from the bottom of the breastbone to above the navel, often had a distending and stifling sensation, as if something was obstructed. She felt irregular heartbeats, had many dreams, and normal urination and defecation. The tongue color was pale, with a thin, white, greasy coating, 舌苔, and the pulse felt very slippery, 滑里, especially in the right radial artery area near the thumb. The physician believes the patient had insufficient thermal energy in the middle body, and cold water-like liquid was flowing upwards, leading to the symptoms. Furthermore, the medicines the patient had used for many years were a Han Liang Xing, cold-natured, severely damaging the thermal energy of the middle body. The treatment method should replenish thermal energy in the middle body, stop vomiting, and eliminate the cold water-like liquid. The 半夏乾薑散from the Jīn Guì Yào Lüè was used as the basis for the prescription. Pinellia rhizome, fa 半夏 9 grams, dried ginger rhizome, 淡干央 9 grams, poria, 云茯苓 9 grams. This was 1 day's dosage. These herbs were mixed and decocted into a soup. The soup was consumed twice a day. The patient felt comfortable after taking the medicine. The physician continued to use this method to treat the patient for over a month, and the illness was completely cured. Notes: 1. Han Liang Zhong Xiang. Cold-natured medicines, especially those that are haliota shell, 石决明, magnetite, 灵石石, and raw dragon bone and oyster shell, 商龙母, produce a tendency to move downward, inward, and sink deep after entering the human body. 2. Jīn Guì Yào Lüè, written by the physician Zhang Zhongjing. It is the earliest specialized text discussing the diagnosis and treatment of miscellaneous diseases, recording over 60 illnesses and 262 prescriptions. 半夏乾薑散 is one of the herbal prescriptions found within it.